guys, so welcome to my channel Tears Good Life. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe at your homes. Today's video I am going to create this makeup look, so it would be a quick makeup tutorial. So let me know in comments if you guys like it and also subscribe to my channel. So the first step is to moisturize your skin. So in this I'm going to use this oil from Nykaa, and I'll just take 2 or 3 drops and then apply it on my face. So I just apply this to make sure that my skin is well moisturized before applying makeup and my foundation doesn't become cakey or patchy. So in next step, I'm going to prep my face with this primer. So I'll just take some small quantity of it, as you can see, and then I'm going to apply it on my whole face. So I apply this to make sure my skin's texture becomes very smooth, and then my foundation application would become very easier. So now I'll just apply this foundation from MAC. I've just taken very small quantity of it because this foundation is really good. Even if you take the smaller quantity, and this spreads on your face very well. So I'll be covering the whole face with this, and then in the next step I'll be blending it with the beauty blender. So guys, blending should be very clean. By cleans, what I means is that your base or foundation, whatever you have applied, should look very firm and your face should look flawless after this. So now I'm going to conceal my face. So as part of concealing, I'm going to conceal my under eyes area, my eyelids, and some dark spots on my face. And after that, now I'm going to blend my concealer with this beauty blender. So guys, blending a concealer is different from blending a foundation. You just have to dab on the concealed area, and it should not spread from one part to the another. So the next step is eyeshadow application. So this eyeshadow palette is very pigmented. So the key for eyeshadow application is that you just have to blend. And if you are applying 2 or 3 different colors on your eyes, they should be blended well and merged with each other properly. Like this, you can see in the video. So now I am applying eyeshadow on my under eye area as well to make my eyes look bigger. Next is eyeliner application. So I can't apply the eyeliner while looking in the camera. I need a mirror for this. So this eyeliner was gel based, so I needed some smoky look. So I've taken some black color from the eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to smoke it out. So now I'm going to contour my face. So contouring is done to make your face look thinner. So your cheekbones should be well defined. You can hide your double chin as well with this. So I'm just going to contour my nose also. And I love making fish face like this. So now I'll be blending my contour with the brush. So your contoured area should be blended well. It should not like look that you have applied something black or smoky on your cheeks. So it should give a shadow only. So now comes the highlighting, which is my favorite part. So I love putting highlighter on my face. My makeup is never complete without a highlighter. So with this, I'm highlighting my cheek area, my nose, my forehead. So like this, you can see in the video. And I love putting more highlighter on the cheeks to get a glowy look. So I'm also going to apply some highlighter on the inner part of my eyes. So this gives your eyes a very great look. Now you can see the effect of the highlighter. Now comes the most important part, the lips. And I love using nude shades for day look. So if you are an office going girl, then this lipstick from Flower is a must have for you, because this gives a very peachy look to your face. And this is I mean its taste is also very good. So now I'm going to just top up my lips with this lipstick from PAC. It's in shade Brown Town, and it's also a must have if you are a nude lipstick lover. So guys, this is the final look I created. So lastly, I would like to put some more highlighter because I love that part. So I'll just take some highlighter and so let me know in comments how you like the tutorial so that I can come up with new content. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.